Then what are you two doing up? First bell hasn't even rung yet.
Sorry, Terry. We couldn't sleep. Today's the day we go camping at Hidden Cove.
Of course. How could I forget?
Flapping feathers! A big adventure in the wild. Just the two of you?
Uh-huh.
Are you sure you two want to camp out overnight? There'll be insects, cold winds.
And who knows what other horrors?
Sounds topsail. We're ready.
All right, but not until you've packed a few.
Meet you at the storage shed.
Signal flares,
Signal flares, check.
backup ropes, mosquito net, spare batteries, butterfly net.
Backup butterfly, heavy duty mosquito batteries, check.
Oh, we'll be lucky to make it to the campsite with all this stuff weighing us down.
Ooh! Off on a camping trip, are we? Sure you've packed enough stuff?
So, what's your destination, brave adventurers?
Hidden Cove.
In that case, you're missing one essential item. A ghost tracker.
What's a ghost tracker? And why would we need one?
You must have heard the tale of Greenbeard's ghost.
A ghostly pirate ship that haunts the coral caves at night.
Ooh!
Wowee! A real-life ghost? I better get a ghost tracker.
Hold up, Speedy. I thought you said you had too much stuff already.
We could swap it for this butterfly net.
You're more likely to catch a ghost with that net than with any ghost tracker, Sydney.
I get it. There's no such thing as a ghost tracker or a ghost ship. Brian and Toots are just trying to scare us. Oh, well, it's not working. Come on, Zip. Let's get to Hidden Cove.
Make sure you set up camp quick smart. Don't stay up too late.
Aye, aye, Terry. Lucky we struck camp when we did. You wouldn't have been able to see a thing in this mist. Think we'll see any sign of Greenbeard's ghost, Zip? Greenbeard? Yeah, right. Huh? You know, I wouldn't mind if you wanted to head back to Bubble Bath Bay. Only if you're scared. I'm not scared, Sydney. But if you are and want to go back, I wouldn't mind. I'm not scared.
I wonder how Zip and Sydney are doing. With mist this bad, it'd be easy to hit a rock or a reef.
They're sensible young boats. A little mist won't bother them. Muddles, you can manage the last container on your own. I just have to go check on the canoes.
Ahoy, Terry! What are you doing out here?
Oh, I thought I'd come out to give Zip a spare battery.
We packed 3 spares in Sydney's dinghy already, Terry.
That's right, Stormy. But then I remembered that 4 spares is standard for a camping trip.
Good to know, Terry.
Nearly low tide. Keep an eye out for me, Stormy. I don't want to run aground in the shallows.
Aye, aye, Terry.
Something's coming. It's Greenbeard's ghost. Sail for it. Ah!
Sydney, Zip! Wait! It's too shallow for me, Stormy. You'll have to go after them.
Aye, aye.
But don't can't go into Coral Cave without a light. You'll get